Okay, good morning, guys. Time to go. Just about all packed up here. Slides all put back in. All my cords are unplugged and put away. Roxy the Rebel's all secured back here. Look at those nice new tires. All right. Sean and the boys here at the shop are gonna keep the keys, so I'll be back. Okay. We're gonna go explore. We're gonna go in Missouri. Gonna have some fun, man, and go camping. Yeah. Go inside, make sure we got everything taken care of in there. Slides are in, I think everything is put away. I know there's something I probably forgot. One of the most common things I forget is actually these drawers. I forget that, see, that was open. I forgot to click it, locked, and those will slam out on the road on me too, so. All right, everything good here? Jax, man, you good? Ready for this, man? We're gonna go do things, stuffses. Different stuffses than being parked, okay? All right, man, here we go. Man, I'm getting into my groove now. All of a sudden, it feels normal again. Strange. Unfortunately, to get into Missouri, well, we got to go through St. Louis. That's what we're getting ready to do. You can kind of see the arch over there. But since we're still kind of in a pandemic and most businesses are closed, I don't think traffic's going to be too bad through here. I mean, actually, this is wide open. Actually. That's nothing. So we're going to cross the Mississippi. No, or Missouri? Wait a minute. No, Mississippi. Yeah. And on the other side is the state of Missouri. I know it got cloudy all of a sudden, too. Is that where the Cardinals have lost more games than any other team? Busch Stadium? Yep. Yeah. No other MLB team has lost more games in that building than the St. Louis Cardinals. Go Cards, woo! All right, we're in southwest St. Louis now, and again, as you can see, it's pretty empty. There's really not much open except for restaurants and stuff, but so with that in mind, it's gonna be tricky where I stop. So like outdoor stuff, there's this sculpture park I wanted to go to last year, didn't get a chance to get into the city. Since it's an outdoor park, I think it might be open. So let's go try this park up here. I don't really need the sunglasses anymore. It's supposed to get stormy tonight. Well, this afternoon. And it's totally closed. Gates closed. It just says temporarily closed. Okay. Well, can I park somewhere else and just take some pictures? I don't know. Yeah, see, it looks like the park itself isn't actually closed. They just don't want you parking and congregating in large groups anywhere. There's a bunch of art in here, guys. Want to see what kind of art? That kind of art. Very strange art indeed. I believe this to be a kitty cat seat. Yeah. Gotta get my steps somehow, you know what I mean? No, it's nice in here. There's lots of trees, lots of nice old buildings, and something is looking at me. Okay, art, yeah. You know what though, in Dallas I found one of these. This is my second huge, ginormous eyeball. Like, I don't know, that's creepy, different. Speaking of quirky and different, I'm kind of gonna be on Route 66 today, so if there's anything new to stop at and look at, I probably will on this trip. But yeah, I see you. We just passed Six Flags of St. Louis. Man, I don't know, like the sculpture park, I don't understand why you have to close outdoor places right now. Like, what, can I get COVID by walking on the same grass that somebody else walked? Like, it's just, nothing makes sense anymore. Okay, I'll just stay in my RV for the rest of the year. Okay, so for example, I mean, here we are in another park and parking lot, and this one's open, not closed at all. There's no rules here at all. I want to show you this though. Look at this neat cave up here. It's creepy, right? We're right on the side of, you guessed it, Route 66, where we're getting our kicks, y'all. Look at that. I mean, usually most places you'll see a plaque or a sign or some information. I don't see anything here, but clearly it's a cave, right? So, all right, actually, maybe this thing over here says something. No, she's not saying anything. She's being quiet. But that rock over there says Adam's Garden, November 5th, 2011. So we are in Adam's Garden here, guys. Well, I'd love to go in that cave, but clearly you cannot. Gosh, this is so pretty. Look at the water. Look at that. So gorgeous. Really windy all of a sudden here for some reason. Like really windy. I know the rain's coming, man. It's gonna be fun when it hits. It's been a while. Well, let's keep driving and get some more kicks on 66. Now see, if I don't get off Route 66, I'm never gonna be able to leave because it's just gonna be non-stop Quirky everywhere. But I found a nice grass field out here on Route 66. Thought maybe it's time to take the old RC Bigfoot truck out here and get some good laps on her and crawl through some of this stuff up in here. And you trying to, what the heck? Holy cow! Now that is actually pretty awesome. An actual monster truck on Route 66. Look at them tires. Can you see the resemblance? Yeah, that's crazy. There's a couple of them. There's one over here too. Of course, I'm not really sure what the significance of all the Bigfoot stuff is, but it's a store. It's a produce store with another one. Heck yeah! I miss those old monster jams back home in the Tacoma Dome. Yeah, don't think we'll ever see any more of those in this pandemic, new social distancing life. I better snap a picture of Bigfoot next to my RV. It's starting to rain just a little bit here. I didn't cover the motorcycle. Oftentimes when I cover the motorcycle while driving, the sand and dirt and everything from the road just gets trapped in there and it makes it worse. So I'm just gonna rinse her off when I get parked tomorrow. I'm almost sure this place is gonna be closed, but there's a big monument behind it. Let's at least go try. Closed until May 1st per the governor's order. Everything in this country is closed except Walmart's and McDonald's. You know what, we're gonna go around the side here. I think we can just walk around the property. Oh, look at these pretty tulips. Are those tulips? I think so. I got your tulips. Osage Trail Legacy Visitor Center, or is it Osage? Or is the A, E, and the O all silent? Who knows? Look at them. They're trailing, guys. Where are you guys going? I think that's a wolf there. So, yeah, a little homage to the Osage Trail. Very cool. And we're here in Cuba, just checking out something new. Before you say, Eric, you're skipping this, or you're missing this, or you're not doing that on Route 66, if you're new to my channel, chances are I've already done and filmed that thing you're thinking of, or things you're thinking of. Because I have viewers who have been with me for nearly 7 years now, I like to keep it fresh and do new stuff. So I definitely encourage you to check out some of my old playlists. I've actually done Route 66 twice. I'll put some cards up top so you can check out some other Route 66 stuff nearby here in this town. But for me, I'm feeling like doing some new stuff. How's that? Okay, Walmart's, McDonald's, and gas stations are still open. Paying $1.53 a gallon for regular gasoline in Missouri. $1.53. The lowest gas price I have ever paid in my entire life. In my life, $1.53. And, you know, I kind of miss having the old Route 66 restaurant diners that you can go in and eat. This gas station has some chicken, and they're advertising their chicken. That's an awesome El Camino, right? I love that car. Well, I beg your pardon, they don't have chicken here. Their restaurant is actually closed. They have the gas station with like a deli, but the restaurant, the big famous Route 66 restaurant, home cooking something, it's closed because of COVID. Yeah, it's closed. Now, well, I was excited about going to the Ozarks, Lake of the Ozarks, because I'm a big fan of Ozarks TV show, The Bird, Smarty Bird, on Netflix. Probably my second favorite Netflix show. Fortunately, and if you don't want to hear this bad spoiler news, fast forward 20 seconds. Unfortunately, the Netflix show Ozarks isn't even filmed in Ozark. It's not even filmed in Missouri. The entire show is filmed in Georgia, guys. They got a huge tax break from Georgia. They said, fine. The state of Missouri was going to charge them so much to even film. So they said, fine, we'll just call it Ozark, even though it's in Georgia. I don't know if that changes things for me or not, because I love the scenery in the show. I guess they did a good job. They did a really good job making it look like Missouri to me. And if there are beautiful places like that in the show in Georgia, then maybe I need to spend some more time in Georgia. We're going to have to get, there you go, okay. Go ahead and go all the way down. There you go. So, that's it for my quirky stops. Today I had to drive a total of 5 hours. Well, 4.5 hours, because I'm going to be staying at a Walmart, getting a few supplies, hopefully, and then going camping. So I'll go get my camping supplies tonight. Got a few more projects in the RV once we get parked, so I'll drive this 57 minutes and get back to you when we get there, okay? Oh, it's starting to rain. I can see the raindrops on the windshield again. Oh well. See, now this is another reason why I love my lifestyle of traveling for a living and looking around, walking around, doing stuff. This is such an active day that for the first time, it's not even 5 o'clock yet and all my rings are closed. I have exercised and walked and been standing for 12 hours because I got up early this morning. Or no, I was up late last night, which counted, yeah. But yeah, I mean, when I get to do it the way I do it, I actually live a really active life on the road. It's really healthy, it's really fun. Darn rain though, come on, stay away. I got plans. There we go, we're parked. How about the moistness of Missouri? Moist, it's so moist, everybody, yeah. I'm gonna do some urban lot docking here at the Walmart. I got an order to pick up. That feature is so nice on the road when they have it. And a little bit of grocery shopping probably, since I can stock up. And yeah, well, let's go inside. I feel like it's been a long time since I've just done my normal thing, you know? This is weird for me, in a little, kind of, but yeah, okay. Yeah, licking your travel wounds, huh? Well, I gotta cook some chicken jacks. It's my cooking day, okay? I'm gonna get everything ready for that, okay? I got the state of Missouri there plugged into Dish Network, so we'll let that search on the dish. We'll get some TV here. But also, you know, it's just been so long since I've been back in my groove. The way the RV is set up right now is how I usually do it on the road when I boondock, whether I'm camping or I'm camping at Walmart, essentially. I like this slide out because it moves the recliner back a little farther from the 60-inch TV. And later on tonight, I'll have to bring the rower out. Got to do a good 20-minute workout here, and I'll probably watch some TV or news or something. So I'm going to be cooking in the kitchen. That's the other reason why the slide has to go out, because I keep sous vide stuff down there, okay? And then the back slide, I don't put out. I leave it just like that. And I have plenty of room to access and edit tonight. I have a nice walkway. The bathroom door opens all the way up. No problem, okay? And then sneak through this little hallway to go to bed tonight. Eric, you don't fit through that hallway. I've lost 39 pounds, guys. Watch. I don't even have to suck it in. I fit through that hallway. That's right, I fit through that hallway. I gotta go sideways, but I fit through the hallway. Yeah. And you know, you might be thinking, Eric, that's a waste of water to cook your chicken sous vide when you're boondocking. But I reuse that water because it stays hot and warm for a couple hours after the chicken's done. And then I can use it to rinse and wash my actual dishes and stuff like that. Or I can use it to flush the toilet, you know. And I only do it once every 8 to 10 days as far as prep meals. So, yeah. You know, Jax is still going crazy about this birthday banana toy. It is so fun. He just loves this thing. Look at this guy. Just never gets... He loves that toy. I think it's cute, Jax. It's good exercise, you know? I mean, he likes the interactive toy, but... You're so funny. Look at that rain coming down out there, though. Yeah. Well, it's fine. Gotta water the grass, right? And we got a little DIY network going on here in the background. and just muted it so I could start talking here. But got the chicken in there, got the Innova going. I love the app control there. It just makes everything so good. And I specifically got that 750 water instead of the 1500 so I can run it off solar. And I think I'm going to be good tonight. Right now, we are starting, well, we started at 94%, it's at 91%. I think in an hour of cooking the chicken, this could go down to possibly even 70%, but it's going to come right back to 100 in the morning, so. And I'm doing one thing different here with the chicken, that is that I put the frozen the frozen chicken breasts in there instead of letting them thaw this time. One, because I didn't plan ahead, and two, it's just a little less messy. So I will season these all to taste afterwards. A little different. And then I'm just going to steam my corn here, and then we should be good to go tonight. While these two things are going, though, or I'm going to wait on that. While this is going, I'm going to start editing. So over here on the computer, I'm already downloading the SD cards into a folder so I can start editing and multitasking while watching TV. Yeah, that's my life, man. I know it seems like my life is just easy and there's nothing ever going on, but for me, it's just non-stop. High pace, always something going on. I fill every minute of every day in a joyful, healthy way, and it's awesome. It works, you know? So yeah, I'll get back to here and close this video out in a little bit. Alrighty, corn just got done. The chicken timer went off, but you can leave these in there a little longer. They're looking good, though. And let's see what our battery's doing. 81.7. Not bad at all. It only took 20% of my battery life to cook. That's great. Plus, this is the first time we're actually running the freezer full-time off the batteries. The chest freezer. So I'm doing this a little backwards now. I'm going to let the chicken cool off a little bit, and then cut them up, portion them up, weigh them out, and then I'm going to season them after the fact. I don't know, I'm just trying something new, because I can, I don't know. And I've been editing video back there as well, it's going really good. Getting a really, really good Missouri rain out here now. I don't know if you can see, it's already starting to flood, and this whole lot is like at an extreme angle. I have to point this out because it's the ongoing joke. You guys saw where I parked, way away from everybody when I got here, because I showed you. And the lot, look at this huge Walmart lot. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. All right, and there's the finished chicken. I don't know if I like putting the seasoning on after they're cooked. I think I'm gonna go back to the old way of prepping the seasoning and actually cutting off the fat before I put them in the bag. I think is what I'm gonna go back to. But you know, I had to try this because I didn't have the chicken thawed out, so I just figured I'd give it a shot. It's gonna work, but you know, yeah. Let me portion these up. What do you think you smell? What is that? You like chicken? Chex Man likes the chicken, huh? I didn't save any cat chicken, though. No, it's just dad chicken in there. I checked, sorry. Yeah, just dad chicken. That rain is something else. Well, in my next video, I should arrive to my campground. I'm really looking forward to camping in the woods and fishing, and hope you guys join me this weekend. Although I might not get the video out till Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. Hope you have a good night. Jackson, I'll see you later on down the road. Bye, guys.